Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up 2-password mode into your Proton Mail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to set up 2 passwords into your Proton Mail, you firstly have to open your Proton Mail application. Now, after opening the Proton Mail application, you just simply have to click on the Setting button beside the Upgrade option. In order to go to Settings, click on the All Settings option. From there, you'll get so many setting options. You just simply have to find the account and password setting. Below Account Settings, click into that Account and Password. After coming here, you will see this 2-password mode. You just simply have to open this toggle for 2-password mode. Then it will ask for your current password. You just simply have to enter the current password. After entering the password, click on this Authenticate button. Now, you can set the new login password here. Simply type your new login password here and then confirm it in the second box. After setting up the password, simply click on the Save button. Then you will get this tab here. You just simply have to enter your new password into the upper box and repeat the same password into the box downwards. Then click on the Save button again. After doing this, 2-password mode will successfully be enabled into your Proton Mail. So, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.